How you doing? I'm Darren with Kickin BBQ. If this is your first time to the channel, then welcome. If you've been here before, then welcome back. Today we are talking wings. Football season is upon us. Yesterday was the Hall of Fame game, and I don't know about you, but when it's football season, wings are on my menu every single Sunday. Today I'm going to be showing you some lemon pepper wings, and they are so good. They're super simple. We got a wonderful seasoning from SuckleBusters here with their lemon pepper garlic seasoning, and then we're going to make a delicious butter lemon sauce. It is going to be so good. These are one of my favorite wings to make, so let's bring in and show you how we're going to prep them up. All right, so I have a couple whole wings here, and most of us know how to break these down. For those of you who don't, I'm just going to show you one here. You're just going to come in between the joint right here, slide your knife forward. You're just cutting through cartilage. Same thing here down by the drum and the flat, just like that. And that is how you part out your wings. And I will say, if you're looking to save some money, buy these whole, trim them yourself, especially because they don't take long at all, and you're gonna save some money by not paying someone to trim them for you. So I'm gonna get the rest of these prepped up and I'll bring you right back. All right, so now that we have our wings all parted out and ready to go, we're gonna come in with our SuckleBusters lemon pepper garlic. This stuff is so good on wings. It's wonderful on veggies. Just a great seasoning. And all we're gonna do is just a light coating. It's kind of hard to see on here, but immediately hit with the citrus smell from the lemon pepper. You have some nice herbs in there, which is great. I'm telling you, this on veggies, chicken, a lot of things is just so good. Check that out. Just wonderful seasoning. You can see the herb in there, everything else. This just makes a fantastic wing. All right, so these are all seasoned up. We're gonna be cooking these on the S kettle today. Just getting a big old chimney of Kingsford briquettes going. We're dumping it in, and we're gonna let these go on the cool side of the grill. They're gonna get real nice and crispy, almost like they're air fried, and they're gonna be so good. So I'll meet you outside at the S kettle. All right, so you can see our charcoal's about ready to dump. It's not completely ashed over, but that is okay. So I'm gonna get this dumped into our slow and sear. If you don't have a slow and sear, just bank them off to one side of the kettle. Now we'll get our grate put on, and we're gonna get our wings put on. And how I'm gonna do it is this thicker skin side, I'm going down first, because I wanna make sure that we get a nice crisp on the skin. So for the first part of the cook here, we're just gonna be cooking these with the heavier skin side down. All right, so just like that. So I have the bottom vents completely open. I'm going to take and get the cover on here and open this vent, so that way we have the nice convection of it coming over the top. We're gonna get these crispy. We're gonna come back and check these in about 20-25 minutes. I'm anticipating about a 45-minute cook on here, so we'll see you in 20 minutes or so. All right, so it has been 20 minutes. We're gonna get these wings flipped over. You can see they are looking real good. Love the look of the seasoning on there. So let's just get these flipped over. And now this is gonna be the thicker skin side that is up. Check that out. Ooh, already starting to get crispy. These look so good. And we're not really paying attention to the temperature here, but if you need to know, the gauge on the grill was showing 400 degrees over the wings here, so more than enough heat to get these skins nice and crisp. So at this point, I'm gonna get the lid back on, and we're gonna let these go for another 20 minutes before we even check them to see if they're done. Wings can take a higher temperature. In fact, I think they get better at that 190 to 200. They're tender, they're juicy, so delicious. So we'll see you in 20-25 minutes. I need to tighten this down. All right, so to a small pot here, we are going to add 1 stick of butter and let that melt down. We don't want this to boil, we just want it to melt down. I'll bring you back and show you the next step. All right, so our butter is all melted here, and I'm just gonna come in with some of the lemon pepper garlic here and just add that to the butter. Just a little bit, you don't have to go crazy. I'd say maybe about half a tablespoon or so. Just like that. To this, we're gonna add the fresh juice of 1 whole lemon. So I'm just gonna take and add that. Being careful not to get any seeds in there. All right, and that is it for our sauce. We're just gonna stir this up, get everything incorporated, and keep it on low until we're ready to add it to our wings. So I'll bring you back when it's time to check out those wings. All right, so it has been another 20 minutes, and check out these wings. They are looking so good. Check that out. I just temped them out, and they are sitting at around 195 degrees. Man, those look so good. So now all we're gonna do is take our sauce here, and we're just gonna throw the wings in it like so. And you can save some and add it after the fact, but they're not gonna be crispy once you add this sauce. How we're doing this, they're still gonna be nice and crispy. So we'll get these in. We're just gonna kind of stir everything up here like so. Get all that flavor infused in there, and then these are going right back on here like so. And then this is the fun part. We are going right over the coals really quick, just to let that butter kind of flame up and get these crisped up real nice. And you can see you got to be quick with this because that fire is burning right there. So we'll just kind of turn them as we go. That one got a little crispy. Get these out of here. And this part's optional. I just like to get a little sear and char on them. About like that is what you're looking for here. It's looking real nice. So just like that. Your other option is you can line these all up over here like we were. Let them go offset, close this back on, let them crisp up that way. But these are looking good just like they are. So I'm calling that good. I'm gonna get these inside, let them cool for a few minutes. We'll come back and we'll do the taste test. All right, so here are our wings. You can see they look real good. A couple of them got a little crispy, but I don't care. I like that, especially on wings. So now the last thing we're gonna do, take a fresh lemon, the grater here, and we are just going to hit some lemon zest over the top of these wings right here. Just for a little bit of freshness. Just like that. And check that out. Nice wing, fresh lemon on there. Oh man, this looks so good. Let's jump out and do the taste test because I cannot wait. All right, so it is a moment of truth. We're gonna try these lemon pepper wings. I'm gonna start off with a drum here. Lots of nice zest on here. Let's do this. Telling you right now, these are fantastic. So refreshing, very lemony. You got that rich butter on there. And obviously you're not gonna sit down and eat an entire plate of just these. You probably have some other wing options or eat a whole plate of these. I'm not gonna judge you, but this is fantastic. The SuckleBusters lemon pepper garlic seasoning is so good. Very refreshing on its own, but then you add the fresh lemon, the zest, the awesome flavor from the charcoal. I mean, it is so good. Now we're gonna come for a little bit of a flat here. So let's do that. Tender, juicy, citrusy. This is a great wing. It's a great change of pace from like barbecue wings or buffalo wings. Nice alternative. I'm set for game day, I'm telling you. Guys, you gotta give these a try. They're easy, simple, delicious, and I promise everyone's gonna enjoy them. And that's all I got for you today. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like, subscribe, ring that bell, stay safe, and we will see you next time.